Hi, welcome. Today, we will learn how to create a time slide in the Adobe Animate. Like this. So let's go. Open the Adobe Animate program. Then create a new animation from the presets. Click the Insert menu and then choose New Symbol from it. Select the symbol type as a graphic. You can rename of your symbol here. Then click OK. Choose the rectangle tools and draw without full color, like this. Choose Select Tools and select it with double-click. Make the center align vertically and horizontally within Align to Stage options. Create a new layer on the timeline. Draw another rectangle as like this by selecting the new layer. Make sure this time draw the rectangle with no strokes but full color. Make it center. Select it and copy it. Insert a new layer again and paste in place. Make it a different fill color. Insert a new layer again and paste in place. Right-click on the frame and choose Create Classic Tween. Select the last frame on the new layer. Press the Function key F6. Increase other layer frames by pressing F5. Select the first layer and right-click on it. Choose the Mask option from here. And lock the top layer and drag the rectangle from the right by holding the Shift key. Relock it. Now play. Its duration is 1 second. You can increase it by selecting all the layers frame and dragging it from your desired duration. Go back to Session 1 On the right panel, choose the Library tab and drag the symbol on the stage. Make it center. Insert the frame of the timeline of your desired duration by pressing the function key F5. You can preview it by pressing the Command key and the Enter key. If everything is okay, then go to the File menu and then Export, and then choose Export Animated GIF options. A new window will pop up. Choose your desired options from here. At the last, click Save the option from here. Hope you can do it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.